Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia for those who are tuning in, and welcome back to everybody else. This is actually my very first video of the year, so Happy New Year. Technically, I am a little behind, however, I'm running off a lunar year calendar. So if you guys are just viewing in for the first time, hi, I'm Alicia. On this channel, I do have a few series. The first one is top 5 favorites. It could be about favorite concealers, blushes, contours, lipsticks, lip stains, I mean, anything that has to do with beauty products. I also love to film demo and review first impressions videos, whether it's a suggested product from one of you guys, a new product, an oldie but a goodie. My monthly favorites videos that I posted, I have to say did, because I've been absent on this channel, and I'll explain a little bit more in a bit. My monthly favorites video that is always posted at the end of every month. Again, I'm going off of the lunar year calendar. Also, to kick off every new year, I've always posted the Pantone color of the year, which is this video here, and many more. So if you guys like videos like these, consider subscribing. So going back to my absence on this channel, I'm just gonna briefly jump into it, and I'll probably get more in depth in my next favorites video. So I actually took an esthetician's course the whole 2023, therefore working full-time in full-time school. It didn't give me much time to film, and I was really focused in that to finish, which I did graduate, and I am a licensed esthetician, guys. And that's just a quick version of it, and maybe in my next few videos I'll talk more about it. So for today's video, kicking off the new year, I wanted to celebrate the color of the year. I love pastels. I can wear pastels on my nails, makeup all year long. It doesn't have to be like the spring, summertime. It's just a color that I really love and gravitate to, especially nail polish. I haven't been wearing any nail polish because of school, and again, we'll talk more about it next time. So the color of the year is Peach Fuzz. Again, very pastel-y, very opaque type of color, which I love. I unfortunately don't have a color in Peach Fuzz. So being the makeup artist that I am, I felt that I should have enough colors to create this look. And if I don't, yeah. So in this video, you'll see me layer colors to create a very similar Peach Fuzz, which is this. So if you guys want to see me create this look, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, I'm sorry I look pretty rough at the moment. So what's new, right? Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and just clip the hair out of the way. I already did all the skin prep prior to starting this video, including my brows. I just wasn't having a good brow day today, therefore I had to do this off camera, but this also speeds up the process. Let's all just take a moment and drink some water to hydrate. I guess I was pretty thirsty. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply some hand cream because it's winter time, face, body, everything is like dry. Using my favorite lip balm, I finally found this back on Amazon. It's been gone like forever. It's the Shea Moisture African Water, geez, what is it called? It's like African Water Ginger Mint and, I don't know what it's called. But there's like mint and ginger. And of course, I'll go ahead and link everything that I used down below. So starting off with the eyes, I decided to go for a little bit of a dramatic look. Nothing dark, but just dramatic as in more of a winged kind of angled eyeshadow look without using eyeliner. So I'm just using the good old Scotch tape, and I will be using a few colors from each of these palettes. So I'm starting off with this peachy pastel corally color, just as I normally do, warming up the crease. It's just a nice base to work with. And throughout this video, I will be layering colors to kind of create this Peach Fuzz shade. I'm going to zoom in a little closer, and I'm sorry again for looking a bit rough. Under my eyes is red, and I feel like the nights that I use my Grande Lash Serum, I may use more than I need to, or I don't know, it just happens to be the time I decide to film, but I have been using it and you will see that my lashes are actually pretty long, especially my lower ones. And again, I like to use it when I'm going on vacation, which I am going next month. So I'm starting off with another peachy pastel color. It's definitely a lot lighter. I'm going to use this as a base on the eyelid space. And again, I will be layering colors to lighten it, to have it more of a peachier, a peachier kind of bone color, if you will. So the color is beginning to look more cream, which that's the route I'm trying to get to. So I'm just gonna layer more and more until I feel like it's just enough. I decided to go back with the deeper color, which I used in the crease. And I'm just feathering out the outer corners to kind of create more of a eyeliner angled eyeshadow look. So I think that kind of darkened the colors overall itself. So I may have to go back in and add a little bit more of that cream color to the lid space. I love this mascara so much, especially again using that serum. It really does lengthen my lashes. This wand is like just perfect to build. The only issue I have is just my lashes are just so straight. They have no lift or curl to them, but they're definitely longer, which I'm happy. Then I'm gonna apply on some demi wispy lashes to finish up the eye look. Using one of my favorite concealers that I'm totally out of. This is the LYS concealer. I just love it. It's like a perfect shade for me. And you'll see how much better I look after all that redness is gone. Next, I'm going to jump in with my House of Labs foundation, which is one of my absolute favorite foundations. And you'll see that I used basically nothing but the sponge for the remaining parts of my complexion. Doing this next step probably did the trick of what I was trying to avoid. So I just wanted to have a more defined eyeliner and crease look just for the outer corners. Therefore, that kind of changed the look a little bit. So it became more pinky peachy versus like peachy creamy. But the look still turned out really nice. To complete the look, I'm going to continue using my sponge applicator for my contour, blush, and even highlight. I've been using the sponge for basically everything for a few reasons. One, I am pretty lazy. Two, it just works really well to give like a nice skin finish, which I've been liking. And to be honest, sometimes I am a little heavy-handed, so using a damp sponge kind of softens the application if there's like too much highlight. I'm gonna go ahead and just highlight the rest of my face with a brush and using one of my favorite lip products from Makeup by Mario. This is in the Bronze Nude or Bronze Glow. And this is my final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!